because of being a driver. So they probably didn't get the whole thing. Then the guy driver was yelling at each other. I didn't know somebody was in the back seat. So it wasn't like I just walked up to him and started, I wasn't like that, man.
Well, the video says one thing. I don't have the entire story. That's why I'm
Right.
asking.
But no, man, I certainly wasn't trying to hurt anybody. I just walked by the road.
Where in the parking lot were you?
Right here. I'm letting them think. I want to say, maybe I parked